All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're taking a close look at Anna University's regional campus in Tirunelveli. This is a pretty significant government institution, especially for students in Southern Tamil Nadu. And the number you'll want to remember for counseling, that's TNEA Code 4020.
So let's start with what's probably the most important thing for both parents and students. This is a constituent campus of Anna University. What does that mean for you? Well, it means admissions are 100% through the TNEA state counseling. Let me say that again, 100%. There's no management quota here. At all. It's all based on your merit.
Okay, so what does it really mean that this is a government campus? Let's break it down. We'll start with its identity and foundation.
All right, let's look at the details. The full name is Anna University Tirunelveli Regional Campus. It was set up back in 2008. Now here's a key distinction. It's a constituent college. That's different from just being affiliated. It means this campus is directly run and managed by the main Anna University in Chennai, so you're essentially getting the direct Anna University standard, just at a different location.
So, why was this campus even created? Well, it was founded with a very specific mission from the government. The whole idea was to decentralize engineering education and make sure that students from the southern districts of Tamil Nadu had access to top-notch technical education, right in their backyard. It's really all about opening doors and providing opportunities where they're needed most.
And what about quality? This is a big one. The campus benefits from a NAAC grade of A+. Yep, A+. That's a huge stamp of approval and a really strong indicator of high academic standards and quality.
Now, for the sake of total clarity, let's be clear about this accreditation. That A+ grade, it's for the parent university, Anna University Chennai, as a whole. The Tirunelveli campus itself doesn't have a separate grade, but because it's a direct constituent campus, it operates under the same high standards and quality umbrella of its parent institution, so you're getting that A+ level quality.
All right, next up, the part you've probably been waiting for, the academic programs. Let's see what you can actually study here.
So what's the total number of seats available? It's 300. 300 undergraduate engineering seats are up for grabs through TNEA counseling for the upcoming admissions. And those 300 seats are split perfectly evenly across 5 different BE programs. You've got artificial intelligence and data science with the code AD. Then there's computer science and engineering, that's CS. Electronics and communication, or EC, a very unique one, geoinformatics, code GI. And of course, mechanical engineering, ME. Each one has an intake of exactly 60 students.
Now, I really want to highlight 2 courses here because they're a bit special. First, you have the New Age branch of artificial intelligence and data science, which is obviously in huge demand. But the really unique one, that's geoinformatics. You don't see this everywhere. It's a cool blend of geography, data science, and things like remote sensing. It's a specialized field, and it's a real area of strength for this particular campus.
Okay, so you know what you can study, but who's going to be teaching you? Because, let's be honest, the quality of a college really comes down to its faculty. So let's talk about the academic strength here.
On campus, you have a team of 57 teaching faculty members. 57. That gives you a good idea of the size of the academic team you'll be interacting with.
And here's a really important number. Out of those 57, 29 of them have a PhD. 29! That's a very solid number, and it tells you there's a serious amount of expertise and research experience available to the students. So if you do the math, that's more than half. 51% of the faculty are PhDs. Why does this matter to you? It means you'll be learning from professors who are true experts, people who are deeply involved in research in their respective fields. And that faculty expertise isn't just for lectures. It translates into real-world opportunities. The campus has a strong research focus, especially in those unique areas like remote sensing and geoinformatics. This means students can get involved in projects with major national agencies, like the National Remote Sensing Center. Plus, the campus is a regional hub for innovation programs like TNSI and IEDP, which is fantastic for students with an entrepreneurial spark.
Okay, let's switch gears a bit and talk about the practical stuff. The things that really matter for day-to-day student life. We're talking about student support systems, campus facilities, and of course, financial aid. First up, hostels. And this is great news for parents. Yes, there are on-campus hostels, and they are separate for boys and girls. The boys' hostel is called Pothigai, and the girls' hostel is Thamira Barani. Having them right on campus is a huge relief. And in terms of getting there, the nearest major railway station is Tirunelveli Junction.
Now, another huge advantage of this being a government college is financial aid. There are several scholarships you might be eligible for. There's the first graduate scholarship from the Government of Tamil Nadu, which is a big one. Then there are the standard scholarships for BC, MBC, DNC, and SC/ST students. And on top of that, there's even a specific hostel scholarship for SC/ST students. So there's a lot of support available.
All right, as we wrap this up, we want to be completely transparent about our information. So let's talk about our source and what comes next.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today comes from the college's own official website and trusted government portals, as of the time we put this together. Of course, it's always a good idea to double-check key details yourself. So to quickly recap, what we have here is a direct government campus under Anna University, with admissions purely on merit and some really interesting future-focused courses. For more deep dives like this, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.